Trading is extremely alluring, promising wealth and financial freedom to those who dare to venture into markets. However, the harsh reality is that most traders fail, and it's not because they're not smart or capable. The real reason is that they fall into common traps that guarantee their downfall. These mistakes are avoidable, but only if you know what they are. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 reasons why most traders fail and what you can do to avoid these common mistakes. Reason number 1. Changing strategies. Frequently, we've all been there. Our strategy is working like a charm and we're raking in the profits. But then suddenly the market shifts and our strategy starts to fail. What do? We panic. And we switch to a new strategy, hoping that it will be the magic bullet that will bring us back to profitability. But here's the thing, no strategy works all the time. Trading strategies are probabilistic, and they're designed to work over a large number of trades, not every single trade. The problem is, we get emotional about our losses and we start to doubt our strategy. We think that if we just switch to a new strategy, we'll start winning again. But the truth is, this approach is a recipe for disaster. By constantly switching strategies, we're not giving ourselves the chance to master any one approach, and we're increasing our chances of making impulsive decisions that will ultimately lead to losses. What's the solution? Find a strategy that suits you, backtest it, and stick to it for at least 20 trades. If after 20 trades the net result is not positive, try a different strategy. But do not switch the strategy before 20 trades. Reason number 2. Not treating trading as a business. Many traders approach trading as if it's some kind of get-rich-quick scheme. They think that they can start with a small amount of capital and turn it into a fortune overnight. But trading is a business, and it requires discipline, patience, and a clear understanding of the markets. When you start a small business, you don't expect to make a huge profit from day one. You understand that it takes time, effort, and perseverance to build a successful business. But for some reason, many traders expect to make big profits right from the start. They have unrealistic expectations, and when they don't meet those expectations, they get frustrated and discouraged. The truth is, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to develop your skills, to learn from your mistakes, and to build a successful trading business. What's the solution? First and foremost, make it very clear in your mind that trading is a business, and like every business, trading requires dedication and hard work. It's not some get-rich-quick scheme. That will multiply your money manifold in just a few days or even months. Work towards a slow and steady growth. Be the tortoise, not the hare. And most importantly, losses are a necessary expense, the cost of doing business. Reason number 3, not learning from mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they start trading. It's a natural part of the learning process. But what separates the winners from the losers is that winners learn from their mistakes. They recognize their errors, they log them into their journals, and they make sure that they avoid same mistakes in the future. Maintaining a proper trading journal is crucial to becoming a successful trader. But many traders don't take the time to keep a journal, and as a result, they repeat the same mistakes over and over again. What's the solution? A trading journal is much more important than you think. If you are not maintaining a proper journal of your trades, you're doomed to repeat the same mistakes, stuck in a cycle of failure. A journal will be your guiding light as to what is preventing you from becoming a profitable trader. So start maintaining a proper trading journal now. I have a more detailed video on how to maintain a trading journal. You can find the link in description or at the end of the video. Trading is a challenging and competitive field, and it's not easy to succeed. But by avoiding these common mistakes, you can increase your chances of success significantly. Remember, no strategy works all the time. Trading is a business that requires discipline and patience. And learning from your mistakes is crucial to becoming a successful trader. By keeping these principles in mind, you can avoid the pitfalls that many traders fall into, and you can achieve your goals in the world of trading. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and like this video if you found anything of value. Watch this video to learn more on how to maintain a trading journal. Thanks for watching.